just so excited to be here back on YouTube making content to influence and inspire your lives. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. It is Ray Natural here, back with another video to help you live your blessed life. Hello angels, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If this is not your first time gracing my channel, I hope you go ahead and subscribe. Speaking of subscribe and subscribers, we're finally at 1K subscribers. Happy monetization to my channel. I just want to thank all my subscribers. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much, because this is made possible from viewers like you. I sound like a PBS ad. Anyhow, thank you all, because this would not be made possible without you all. You all are truly angels. I figured the best way to go ahead and kick off this relaunch, because it's been about 6 months, is to go ahead and give you all an updated length check. Here on my channel, I do many things, one of which is growing some hair. So my natural hair journey is definitely still going to be a part of this channel, along with a lot of more things. I have so much planned for you all in the natural hair category, from product reviews and just more chebe powder and a whole plethora of good things. But to talk specifically about my length check and my hair growth, healthy hair growth journey, I noticed when rewatching some of my videos, I want to just add more consistency into my routine, just for myself, my own measurements, and for you all, the viewers, of course, to see what's really working for me. I noticed that there was some inconsistencies on how I was doing my braid patterns. So moving forward, I'm going to try to keep the same braid pattern. If you watch any of my previous length check videos, I honestly just check the back of my hair. I'm just gonna make sure that anytime I'm doing my hair, like in this video I'm going to insert for you all, I'm going to make sure that I am doing the same 2 braids in the back of my head, because I think that's just a great way to make sure things are really growing my hair, or I'm retaining length, as I tend to do. So you'll always see these 2 dookie braids in the back of my head whenever I give you all a length check. As far as the length goes, drum roll please. During my hiatus, I can say that I pretty much retained my length. Okay, as you can see here, as I'm going to go ahead and measure my hair, I'm still at the 7 inches down my back. Now I know somebody's like, okay, yeah, your hair is much longer than 7 inches. One of my subscribers, or loyal angels, mentioned that to me, and yes, I do know that. I do know it's longer than 7 inches, but I'm sorry I cannot take my hair off my head and give you all an actual length check. And I do sell, this is a great way I find to keep track of my length shirt. If you don't have one, I do have a video on how you can DIY your very own length check shirt, and I hope you all appreciate that. But anyways, I'm just so excited to be here back on YouTube making content to influence and inspire your lives. So I'm just excited for the future and good things to come. So if you like content like this, or if you skim through my videos and like the content that I put out, natural hair videos, mommy and me content, and a lot of DIY and product reviews, go ahead and click that subscribe button. But I'm just gonna keep this video short and sweet, and thank you all for watching, and encourage you all to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my future content. And as always, I pray you all continue to live your blessed life and be